I'm Caleb, and today I will be showing you what obleck can do. To make obleck, you're going to need 1 cup of water, and then you're going to need 2 cups of cornstarch, which I will be doing. I'll come back shortly after I make it. Okay, so this is the finished product of obleck. So now my little brother is going to be coming in. He's been doing the camera since the very beginning. So now I got the camera. So my little brother is going to punch the obleck as hard as he can. I'm going to stand back some. So now punch it as hard as you can. Let's get a close up on that. What's it like punching the obleck?
It like leaches onto your hand, and this like tries to not let it go.
Let me try. Okay.
It's kind of hard to let go if you put your
Wait, so now I'm gonna try. Yes, it is
sticky.
very sticky.
Look.
And then, but look at that. It seems hard when you punch it.
Yeah,
Get your hand
but
out
it's
up here. It seems hard when you punch it.
Look at this.
But look,
It's glue.
it's literally like a liquidy substance.
It's like glue. Is this glue?
It's also. Okay, get your hand up here. Okay, get your hand out now. It's also very weird. Very.
Don't try this at home unless you have a grown-up helping you.
Well, yeah, you can try this at home, but if you don't like getting your hands very messy, then yeah, don't try this at home.
Yeah, don't.